Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your chat history on Grok. I'm going to be using my browser for this one. However, you could use your phone for this, your laptop, or any device that you want. I'm just going to be using my browser on my computer, which is I'm going to be using is Google Chrome. So you should be able to do this on any browser that you want. I just happened to choose Google Chrome for this. So what you can do is head on over to Grok here at the bottom right, and as you can see, we have our chat here. I can see I said hi, how are you, what are you doing? So let's say I want to delete our history. What you can do is head on over to Grok here on the left hand part. So we click on that, and you are now taken to your chat here. You can also enter full screen. So what you can do is go up here to the top right part of the screen here and click on this chat history button. Click on that, and as you can see today, so if we click on that, so let's say friendly greeting, so we chat on that. So as you can see, it will take us here to our chat. So once you've seen this category, what you can do is click on the three buttons here at the right part of the screen, and then you can just click on delete. And if you refresh this, there will be no chat available. So the history will have been deleted, so you can't see it anymore. And that is it. That is how you delete your chat history from Grok. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.